Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to create an Exodus wallet. First, you will need to download the Exodus application directly from its official website. It is crucial to ensure you are on the correct site to avoid fraudulent versions. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process. This usually involves a few clicks, and the software will guide you through each step. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Upon opening Exodus for the very first time, your wallet is automatically created for you. There is no complex setup process or account registration required, making it incredibly user-friendly. You will immediately see your portfolio and the various cryptocurrencies supported. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and discover the many features available within the application. It is designed for ease of use. Security is paramount for your digital assets. The first step is to set a strong, unique password for your Exodus wallet. Next, and most critically, you must back up your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Write it down on paper and store it in a very safe, offline place, like a fireproof safe. Never share it with anyone, and never store it digitally. Now that your wallet is secure, you can start using it. To receive cryptocurrencies, simply share your unique wallet address for the specific asset. To send funds, enter the recipient's address and the amount you wish to transfer. Exodus also offers a built-in exchange feature, allowing you to swap between over 300 different crypto assets directly within the wallet, making managing your portfolio incredibly convenient and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.